back with a new video. This one is about cooking and cooking recipes inserts. I do this for a long time and I love to like put my recipes, the ones that I don't have in books or the ones that I modify, on my binder. This is 2 years that I haven't bought anything that other than a new binder. No even stickers, not even anything, because I try to use everything that I have before I buy. But this year I saw, well, first I was buying the binder for the next year, and I bought this one that, of course, I changed the let me get the front part. This is in real the binder, but I thought that this one was better than this for my house management planner. That is when I put part of the, and I got a new inserts for a lot of the things. I already have a lot of the things that I do. This binder is like plannings and everything. One day we will go through this, but I got the new inserts for this year instead of the old ones that I use for each one of my recipes. I still have a few left, but I wanted to try it also something like if I do desserts or something simple. I will try this one. This is the binders that I bought. Sorry, the extension that I got. This is the recipe edition. I like these new ones that it say, like the title here, it say the ingredients, preparation time, cook time, serves for people, directions and notes. And in the back side I think it's just the same. Yes, just the same. While the other one was like serves in the front, main ingredient, difficulty, preparation time, cook time, temperature, notes, serve with, like this is more in deep, so I want to keep these ones. Oh, and the recipe, ingredients, preparation, and in the back side the same. I want to keep this all recipes one for really more complicated recipes where you get all the details also about the temperatures and everything, and in this one when is more simple recipes. I hope it makes sense. And if you see, this are the colors. So this is one, this is like a very light baby blue. This one is like a bubblegum pink, I will say. Trying to put a name to the colors. And this one is a green. I don't know if my camera is showing in real, but they are very pastel colors. So for this one, that is a very simple sauce that I'm doing, that it will go in this part of my binder. I will use the green. I'm using a lot of the ingredients that comes from my own garden, my hydro garden, and I print one with my one of the pictures that I got with my new machine. One second. This one, the HP Pocket. Really nice. It's the first time that I'm using. I like that it really takes more. The space that you're printing is really the total size of the picture, not like my other machine. What it is? Well, if you see here, this is an old one. It comes also with the border, and the picture quality I don't think is so clear like this machine. So after many years I bought this machine and I really like. It was one of my birthday presents and I love that. And the other way that you can do, if you don't want to spend money on this kind of machine, this is more like when you're traveling. If you want to go doing some journal or travel journals that I love to do when I travel. The other way is just print your pictures in the size that you want in this way. So I have a lot of the pictures that I want to work in this way. So there is, it has a white background if you want, or just cut in the size that you want and it is there. So for this one, oh, the other thing that I got are these stickers. They are, I think, from this year. I'm not totally sure. To be honest, I bought these like 2 weeks ago. I didn't do any unboxing or anything because it's not like something that nobody has. Is not totally like a brand new thing, but I love this. What I'm looking on stickers when I bought pre-made stickers? First, I will be honest, when I am like crafting or doing my journaling, I don't go too much with the little squares to fill information in and that kind of things, because I think that is kind of a waste of space. It's my personal opinion. I don't want that you take like I'm trying to influence on you. I like to find things that I will use on the stickers. You cannot win always. Of course, you always will find something that is not really what you want. I love how I found here like house cleaning, plants, shopping, and the shopping and other kind of shopping list. So it has so much potential, and I love that it has also this. It was like I have a combination of so many things in this one. Which one is this one? It has to have a name, right? Plan Happy Life. And this is no name. Essential Plannings. That's the name. So I like that it has a combination of everything that you can use in different kind of planning. It will be not only on your regular happy planner, it can be on the recipe one, it can be on your house management, and it has a lot of potential if you see here. So I will not go through all these, and like I said, like these kind of boxes, I will be honest, not for yourself and stuff like that. I think that is a little like waste of space for me, but I always find where to use. Finally, I like this. I don't use too much, but it's my way to do planning, and I think this is like hours of the day. I think it is, so I can organize like work schedules and everything in that way. I have all the stickers that I did before when I was doing stickers for Soul, so I'm still having this, and sometimes I print if I run low. And a lot of them, the ones that I used to do like the cooking or food things, let me see if I find one. Like kinda I save some of those when I have apples and stuff like that. I love this because I can use also my recipe book, and so we will use part of that. First I will go and I will be just filling the information here. Don't expect something amazing, because all that I love to do is just keep the recipe and save here in case that I need for the future. Okay, pretty simple recipe. Is just a spicy sauce that we use, like if you have a steak and you like a spicy sauce, this is amazing. As you notice on the video, and all that you have to do is blend all together and put together. The only good thing about this is like also you can create alternatives. Like my husband loves sometimes to put a little of garlic. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes he likes to add any extra, I don't know, pepper. I put a little of mint because I have in my garden. I have a little of what else I put? Sometimes I have oh, this sticker of the tomatoes are so cute. I think I will put there. You can have any other whatever little, but in little portions, you know. I have deal. I don't remember what I put the other day, but I try to just test if the flavor is good. It's really spicy. I'm not so much into, I put just a tiny on my steak. My husband is practically put all the steak like floating on the on the sauce, but no me. So one of the options will be like putting that way, or I can put a base of color on that. I took the page out because since I have another papers, you know, I have these crafting things. Ooh, can I use something like that? Maybe do I have something like a tablecloth or something? No. Okay, I found this paper and this one. Maybe we'll use this for this one. Yeah, sounds like a good plan. Let's just put this one already there to make simple. Simple. I still have in my huge how do you call these, advanced tape glider. It was some of the tools that I bought like many years ago. Like, oh, this is what everybody uses. I will buy that, you know. And I got stuck with that huge one, and I don't know. I have so many of the rolls, you know. I'm the kind that loves to buy like many rolls and have just in case that, oh, an emergency, I just didn't have enough. I always have extra. So let's cut these. Okay. I'm sure that is not exactly size on the other side, but close enough. Yes, close enough. Okay, so we have this picture. It will pop a little more there, and this can be like, I don't know if I want to do also the green one on that. Yeah, you know what, let's do it. Let's do it. The other I have a lot of this paper. Like I say, I'm not planning to spend in any extra paper. It's so many years buying so many papers and stuff, and it's like I get excited when I see somebody doing a video about new papers or something, and then I want it. It's like I needed it in my life. I don't know why, but I need it. And then I finish buying so much stuff that I keep accumulating, and a lot of times I just bring to work because I have another ladies that also craft, and I was thinking that it was a waste to have so much stuff and no using. And one of the lady that loves to craft actually makes cards for everybody, whatever situation. If somebody's in the hospital or something, she make the card and bring for everybody to sign. So it's so cute, and I thought that I will help her at least with material, because I was totally out of doing cards like I used to do before. So what do you think? Yes, I think that is what we are doing. So let me mark where I will put, because sometimes I finish moving and I'm like, oh, where it was? Oh, I got my pencil and I want this corner here and this corner here. I love to do this looking cute, I wouldn't lie. I know that you can say it's just a recipe, but that's what I like. I like to create, and things look cute. So when I see my recipes, I'm like, oh, this looks so nice. There it is. And then another one there. It's so hot today. We went to buy some flowers on the farmer market. Not the farmer market, what do you call, I didn't get glue there, the nursery in the town, and it was so beautiful, flowers and everything. We finished buying more extra. They are organic. Usually I do from seed, but this year it's been like I mentioned, I'm just coming back to the normal of life. Ooh, do I have a blender? Do I have a blender? Let's see. I have a blender here. Ooh, I have one that is the cooking theme. Cooking theme. Oh, this is more for other kind. Salt and pepper. We use salt and pepper. Why not? So there. Love it. So what else I need? I need to put information about other ingredients that I can add here. Okay, I got all that. And so you see I have a mint leaf there that, like I mentioned, sometimes I add, sometimes I don't. Do I have an arrow? Mint. And because it's a leaf, there, we got that. So I think we got all that I was planning to put on this one. You always can just do extra decoration if you need. I don't think I need to put anything else, but this is my page. Very simple, but I'm using the new extension for the recipe planner, the green one. I am using just pictures, and these ones are from the Happy Planner. This was one that is mine, and like I said, you can also just try to draw some stuff or put extra decorations, whatever you want. I like to keep in this way, and I'm happy just with my recipe in that way too. So I will put on the area that I need. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed of this part, and I will be sharing and doing more of these different kind of extensions and showed you how I do, and I hope that inspire you to keep using your planner and not be changing always like throw away. Now keep everything. I keep also papers that this is for the planner that I'm using right now. Is the next part of the planner. I don't keep all together because in other way it gets so thick and I cannot go back and forward. So thank you so much for being watching. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.